Hey yo, turn over the AC. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, that guy. See back at you. I had another reaction video, and today I'm coming at y'all with Blue Lock episode 7. If y'all do, I don't know why y'all late anything. Hit that sub button, man. We on the road to 700 subscribers, man. Hit that sub button, man. Like, comment, then hit the notification bell so you know your boys dropping more bangers. Hey, man. We about to get right into this video, man. We about to get right into it. The last thing I remember from last episode, this man really sold, bro. This man really sold out his comrades in arms. I called him Eisen. His name's not really Eisen. I forgot dude's name, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna hold you, but I forgot dude's name because I be calling him Eisen too much, but he's not Eisen. He's an actual Rudy, bro. Like I said last time, when that man Eisen said, "I'm not with the Soul Society anymore," and slicked his hair back and proceeded to go to Waco Mundo, that shit was one of the coldest scenes I've ever seen in my life in Betrayal, bro. bro, like that man still looked cold. So, like, I was heated that he did that, bro. But then I was like, oh yeah, you cooling, bro. You cooling because this scene was actually cold, but this dude just out here trying to get free buckets. Like, go crazy, bro. Go crazy, bro. But hey, without further ado, let's get into this vid, though.
I've always known that I was born to prove my talent.
Oh, that's Renji.
Run them all.
CHIGIRI.
Eventually become the best striker in the world. Back then, it seemed like a foregone conclusion. That was the future awaiting me.
Hey, bro, what CHIGIRI needs, bro, is to stop playing mind games with himself, bro. That's what's messing him up the most, is his mind games.
Team Z, you were a big help. You won't get away with this, Kuon! I'll kill you!
Get him, Bakugo!
You're gonna get a red card!
Oh, yeah, they're down 4-3, bro. Oh, my goodness.
You betrayed us. Not nice.
What are we gonna do? We've got a two-man disadvantage now.
That's perfectly fine. I remember when my coach used to, in basketball, he'll have the starters out there and then have like 2 to 3 more players out there. It used to be actually annoying, but it helped.
We know your weapons and your tactics down to the last little detail. You're a helpless moron who can't do anything on his own.
Bro, watch out, bro.
Soccer is a sport that's played by teams of 11.
Score again.
That's it.
This man's really trying to go crazy and betray.
Heads up!
But you gotta stop this goal. Fingertipped it! Yes, sir! You finally did something useful!
Just one more goal! We don't have to win, but we can't lose! Even if it kills me! CHIGIRI!
You gotta lock in. Come on, run, CHIGIRI. Man running slow as hell.
It won't matter for long, though. We'll end your soccer career and put you out of your misery.
Oh, he's really chatting to you, CHIGIRI, bro. You gotta lock in. I'm not even gonna call you Renji no more, bro. I'm gonna call you by your real name, bro. Cause even Renji wouldn't go out like this, bro. And Renji be going out sad.
Morocco City Business High School is a regular qualifier for the National High School Soccer Championship. Yeah, couldn't agree more, bro.
Watch out, bro. He doesn't even say anything.
And ideally make a name for myself in the process. This
Yeah.
hierarchy doesn't serve that goal. Also, it's dumb.
He told him it's
And who
dumb.
are you,
Tell
huh?
him again.
Yoma Chigiri. Will you agree to shut up once I've beaten you?
Yes, sir, CHIGIRI. Let's see what you were in your prime. He just got through.
What's with this guy?
To
He
take
just got
advantage of CHIGIRI's speed, we'll go
CHIGIRI.
with one up top next match. The national title's within our
Hey,
grasp.
look at him. Sad as bread.
Don't get all cocky just because Coach likes you.
That's my bro's advice. And you ought to listen.
Watch out.
Cocky? No, I'm simply realistic. It all comes down to talent.
Yeah, please
To
tell me more,
talent.
Mr. Genius.
Easy.
Later.
Hey, he was
Talent
actually chatting
isn't
to
handed
him.
out equally. There are those who
Hey,
have
CHIGIRI,
talent
bro,
and
you
those who
actually
don't.
look nice as hell in your prime.
known
Where's
for a
this
long
at,
time
bro?
That I was born to
Bro,
prove
you over
my-
here just scared because you got your ACL torn, bro. You gotta lock in, bro.
I can
Even
do
D
a lot
Rose
more.
came back with his ACL, bro, and dropped 50.
The genius striker.
He dropped 50.
Using these legs to soar past my opponents was a joy given to me and me alone. I would outrun
So
them
you
all
gotta lock
and
in,
eventually
Chigiri, bro.
become
You
the
gotta
best
lock
striker
in.
the world.
Cause we
Back
need
then,
you right now,
seemed
bro.
like a foregone
Isagi needs
conclusion.
you.
That was the future awaiting me.
Yo. Oh! That's how it happened?
I'm sorry. We're looking at a
Oh!
right ACL tear. Hyoma is unique. His soccer.
Yo, that is actually heartbreaking to hear.
The genius isn't looking so smart now.
I feel bad for him.
Bro, watch out, bro. Bro, that's
Hey, it's been
That's
a while,
exactly
hasn't it,
why,
Mr.
bro.
Not So
You do
Genius
not pay
anymore?
attention to
Why
what
are
Shake
you
say,
here?
bro.
You can't do that fancy running trick of yours, so what are you even worth these days? I mean, it all comes
Bro,
down
he's
to talent, right?
actually
And you count
chatting,
a
bro.
no-show. Well, sucks to be you, former genius.
Bro, they're Rudy's too, bro. Cause that's regardless, bro. That is your teammate, bro.
Damn it.
Hey everyone, Chigiri's back.
That's why, bro. When this
You
man
worked so hard to
AP
get to
came
this
back,
point.
bro,
Don't
from
push
his knee
yourself.
injury,
Just take your time and ease back in.
AP is a different man. He really came back, not
What's
playing
the
no
matter, Mr. Not
games.
So Genius anymore? You feeling winded? Wouldn't want to damage that
Yo.
knee again, would ya? Shut up!
Dude, this dude is a Rudy.
That's not wrecking.
All
my
that
right
stuff
leg
they
again
kept
scares
saying,
me.
bro, kept
Really?
holding this man back.
All this time.
Shackles.
And if I lose that, I lose who I am.
Shackles on this man. But you gotta get out those
Since then,
shackles. You gotta break through.
I'm looking for
And you
reason
gotta lock
to
in.
give up. 5 more minutes.
5 minutes left,
5 more
bro.
minutes, and we lose.
And no more soccer career
And
for you.
Finally, I can put soccer behind me.
What?
Run, Chigiri! Come on! It's not over yet!
Bro, he's Chiggity, bro. You're acting like a Rudy, bro. He's gotta lock in, bro. Like, dude is just acting so
Nice work, you
scary.
guys! Now get the ball!
Why keep going when the second try's
Come,
no better than the
come
first?
on,
It's
bro. You
12
gotta get
against
around
10,
this
dude.
man, bro.
Well, there's not long left now.
Use your
Let's defend our
ability.
lead.
Damn it! What do we do? If we don't break through their defense, then we're screwed! Budget is being
Bro, you
worked
gotta calm
constantly.
down.
Kunigami has no space to take a shot. There has to be a route to goal somewhere.
Bro, you gotta smell
Oh,
a
look,
goal,
that's
bro.
so cute. You really believe you can win if you refuse to give up, don't you? There's no place for that kind of naivete
Bro,
in
he's
a
a
match.
Rudy, bro.
You can keep fighting, but the game ends when the game ends, whether you're ready
I
or
would
not.
have, bro.
See, it's nearly over. You're going to lose.
Oh shit! Okay, it's a decision to end here.
Come on,
If we can't
Isagi.
use our
You
weapons,
gotta lock in yourself if
I'll tear them
Chiggity's
apart
not.
myself.
If Chiggity's not gonna help or nobody else, you gotta do it yourself.
What the hell? He's gone berserk. I'll do it.
Nice
Oh.
Don't scare us like that, buddy.
Come back,
What's he
Isagi.
doing? Is he delusional or something?
No, he's not, bro. He's not trying to
I
lose.
will.
He's
Get
right.
there.
Give up already.
Bro,
Stop
why
this,
is
Isagi.
Chiggity acting like this,
chasing the
bro?
ball.
You're acting like a
Stop
female,
looking so
bro.
determined.
Like, come on, bro.
Stop believing in yourself and playing like you've got nothing to lose.
Chigiri, get the ball. Wake up.
Dude's acting so scary, bro.
Move it.
Pass the ball, Isagi. Hey, are
No.
listening?
Did
We're
you just
ball
tell me to
hogging.
move it?
Yes, you
Well,
did.
Screw you. If we lose, I can put an end to this.
Bro, he's a
Give up
bro.
on soccer
This
and be at
man's
peace.
Chiggity, bro. I've never seen a character
Why am I
act like
feeling
this
this?
ever in anime. Like, bro, it's truly scary.
Isagi. Yeah. Best in the world. And putting everything
Bro, you can
are
literally,
into
bro,
soccer.
believe in yourself and make anything
If
possible.
we lose it, we're done.
I'm scared. What am I afraid of?
His
Am I
knee,
being
bro.
raised
It's
to
your
genius?
knee, bro. You got shackles on
Danger
your
in my
knee.
right leg.
You shackled
Can't I play
yourself,
soccer
shackled your
anymore?
mind into being weak.
The truth is, none of that matters.
Boys!
Come on,
But
Chigiri.
I can't afford to lose. What I have to believe in
Oh!
is the rush I get watching you play. And the fire it lights inside me.
Oh, look at Chigiri!
No more waiting.
Come on, bro. Break through those chains. You gotta lock in.
This is my last match. Ready or not, leg.
Break through those shackles. Break through that mental block. Yes, sir, Chigiri. Yes, sir.
Let's go!
Oh, Isagi smells it. Let's do it. Isagi.
No, something's changed.
That's it!
Yes, sir. Pass it to me, Isagi.
Time to let your weapon shine.
What the heck, dude?
Get there, Chigiri. Get there.
Go on, get the ball! Way ahead of you.
No.
Nate
The
Daniel.
speed he's going.
Oh,
Right. I can do
he's
this.
planting his foot.
I was born to.
He's not going, Chigiri. Get it.
Team Z, say goodbye, because this game is ours.
Move it.
Total move it. Get little, Chigiri. Don't play with these dudes no more.
What your weapon is?
Get little.
How could you hide that?
Get
blood?
little. He's getting out of there. He's getting up out of there. Holy shit. Chigiri. You gotta get little. Guys, you gotta go score.
Pumping.
You gotta
Digging into the
score.
ground until the field becomes a blur.
Oh crap, he's got his old speed back? We gotta stop him.
Not
bro.
even. He's looking a little faster than
I
that.
don't care about being called a genius or about my soccer one. That's what this game is all about for
Yes,
me.
sir, Chigiri.
Joy given to me. Me alone.
Oh my God, he got faster.
He's trying to catch up to it. Dude, pass to himself. Stop him permanently.
Jumped over.
This is it. What I was looking for.
He was trying to really
Only
foul
time
that
I
man
believe
for
in
real.
myself is when someone's eating my dust.
Chigiri, don't stop.
Score.
Think I can catch up? Uh-oh.
Hey, he tripped that man. Get up off me, cuz you get little. You better score.
On the afterburner.
You better score.
Prize.
Come on, goalie. Get to the ball.
Chigiri, do not play. Oh, he jumped out.
Time. I will dream.
Chigiri, yes, sir. Is it there?
What I want is another chance to become the best. Another chance.
Yeah,
Play soccer.
Let's go. Tie game. Y'all thought it was rocking. Y'all thought y'all was about to win. My man Chigiri came in and unlocked.
Everyone else get a good look
Unlocked
too.
himself,
This
bro.
is the real Chigiri Hyoma.
Yes, sir. My man's come through clutch.
Chigiri!
I can't believe it.
You're telling me.
Yo,
It's incredible.
my man Chigiri came in clutch, bro.
Blame.
He was acting like
Watching
a
you got me so
shook.
fired up.
He was
Next thing I
acting
knew, I
so
was
shook,
sprinting.
bro.
For the longest time, I didn't know what was risk. Starting
Yeah.
today, I will
He
put my faith
finally
in who
did
I
it,
am
bro.
now.
Finally put confidence in
Thank you for all
himself.
your help. That fire decides to burn out.
Yes, sir.
Good.
That's the way to
Then
be
let's fight
talking, man.
Together.
That's a great
Wrong idea,
mentality.
Slowpoke. This is BLUELOCK after all.
My man Chigiri.
Point taken.
I'm gonna be the best striker in the world.
Yeah? Good luck with
Yes,
that. You're
sir.
competing with me.
Tell him again, Isagi.
Pretty boy here saved us. Going! Slip your mind to mention chicken.
Hey, kicking this shit. Ah, jumping him.
We're supposed to wait.
Please.
Jumped him.
Why would I go back on my promise?
You're as good as dead. Mouse. Mind keeping your hands off my teammate?
Yeah, get him gone, Ichigo.
Where are you?
Tell him you're a real soul reaper.
Your attention. Matches 7 and 8 for Building 5 are now complete. Here are the results.
So V won 5-2?
Only one more left to go.
Hey, who's on
Let's be real.
Team
It's a
B?
miracle
Did we
we
already
managed
play
to
Team
end up
B?
with a draw.
No, we
When I
didn't.
saw Itsuki go berserk, I had no idea what we were in for.
Bro, this nigga
Sorry,
ass naked, bro.
but there wasn't any other way to attack.
Action is against Team V.
Hey, this.
The only team in Building
Okay, so
5 who
Team
has a
B. I was
roster
about to
match
say, I
yet.
don't think we
Who
played Team B
cares who our
yet.
next opponent is gonna be? All we've gotta do is win.
Not
Bro,
like
y'all
we
got
have a
10
chance with
players,
just 10
bro.
of us.
You say.
Literally have 10 players.
Do you guys hear that?
You'll have the advantage in every
Yo, he's
single
trying to
match.
do it
There
again,
he goes. Back at it.
and he's doing it with team the next team they're about to play.
By working together, I guarantee your chances of making it through the second selection will.
Any merit whatsoever. In fact,
Hey,
it
he's-
would be a demerit.
Yo.
Essentially, your main priority making this little arrangement.
This
is
dude looks
an
like
initiative
Uryu
approach.
Ishida, bro.
Did that make sense to anyone else?
What do you knock it off, Zantetsu? Nothing's gonna help make your dumbass sound any smarter.
Hey, he just got on that
Never
with him.
could stand people who are lame or boring. And you exhibit both those qualities.
Yo, he got 6 goals. The other dude got 5.
Care less. I don't
Nagi,
have the energy to chew my food.
7
Give me a
goals.
piggyback.
So they
out
got
of here.
Ryo, Zantetsu, and Nagi.
Brought you to the cafeteria in the first place because you said you were
Hey, that man
hungry.
got white hair.
But it's too much of a hassle.
That man looking like a
Very tempting. A half-eaten steak.
Kakashi.
But eating someone else's scraps will make me look stupid.
Being weak sounds like such a hassle.
He just got on that with him.
Hey, Dale. Is soccer so interesting you'd still play even on the losing side?
Told him never look down on soccer.
Question. Oh, I'm with Team Z, Yoichi Isagi. And I'm the one who's gonna defeat you.
Yes, sir! Tell him again, Isagi. Hey, my man's this episode was really tough, bro. That man, bro, Eisen, bro. I forgot dude's name, but bro, you are really a Rudy, bro. This man, after he just tried to do that Rudy shit with the last game, bro, ended up tying. He's gonna go back? He's gonna go back to trying to do that again? After it didn't work the first time, now you gonna do it to Team B? Bro, like, this man's weird. And luckily, they didn't agree to that, so that means they're actually nice, bro. They gotta be reverterily. It's a reverterily. Whoa, what the hell was that? I don't even know what word that is, bro. But they gotta be at least decent as hell, though, because them dudes said nay, and all of them had more than 5 goals, bro. That one dude, Nagi, he had 7 goals. He had the most that we seen so far. Like, bruh, this man Isagi only got 1. Like, how does he have 6 more goals to do, bruh? That man's a for real striker at that point. But hey, but if y'all are new, don't forget to like and comment down in the comment section below and say what's up to me, bruh. Don't forget, brother. I say what's up to y'all. Y'all gotta say what's up to me. And really don't forget to hit that sub button. And actually, really don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know your boys dropping more bangers. Hey, man. Hey, bro, I'm about to get up out of here, man. This man, Chigiri, finally broke through his shell, man. Hey, we needed that, man. He actually went federal at the end. He came in clutch.